Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna get ready to go to Huntington Beach. That's what the plan is today. I'm gonna vlog it. Oh wow, I look really rough. Look at my bun. But yeah, I'm gonna get ready and then we'll head there. I'm super excited. I have some outfits to take for a brand called Charcoal Clothing. So I'm gonna shoot some content while I'm there and do a little bit of shopping and just explore a little bit. I haven't been to Huntington in a minute. I'm going to the Pacific City area, so where like the mall is. And it's like right at the beach, so it's like stunning. So that's what we're doing. I'm not sure about the weather today. I'm hoping I'm not gonna freeze, but I gotta, gotta do it for the Instagram. That was disgusting. Let me never do that again. I'm shooting in this outfit from Charcoal Clothing. So cute. It's like a little beachy set. It's linen material. It's so nice. So cute. But yeah, I'm just over here taking B-roll for you all. My eyes are watering. I keep crying. It's so windy and I'm actually finally not freezing because it was like really cold a second ago. So I shot some pictures in this look. The top is from Charcoal Clothing, and my pants are from Princess Polly, and my sandals are from Target. I think we're going to shoot some more pictures in this outfit, and we're on the pier right now. It's really nice out. We just parked at the mall and now we're gonna go get some Mexican food and I'm starving. The view is so pretty and I'm like slightly cold and slightly warm at the same time, so another outfit change. I'm wearing the same top from Charcoal Clothing. My jeans are a Goldie, my Prada purse, and my flip-flops again. I'm on the flip-flop thing again, trend, whatever. I feel like I haven't worn them in years and now I'm just wearing flip-flops all the time now because they're so comfy. So we're at Fred's Mexican Cantina. I'm gonna try to be quick so I don't get copyrighted by the music. But we got nachos and cheese, and then we got this huge burrito that we're gonna split because it's like 1 pound. And it's like a grilled chicken burrito. Yum yum. And we have this cute little view as you saw before. I'm obsessed and I'm so hungry. Guys, so it's been a couple days later since I went to the beach. I came home and I was just so exhausted from all that driving that I just went to sleep. But I wanted to show you what I got when I went shopping. I didn't get to go to too many stores because our parking was about to be like 15 minutes every 2 minutes, which is like ridiculous. You only get to validate for like 3 hours. So yeah, I didn't want to do that, so we had to quickly leave. I wanted to show you what I got. I went into Urban and I got this little market bag. I thought it'd be really cute for when I went to the farmer's market. I don't have one of these at all, just a regular reusable bag, but I really like this one for like fruits and veggies. I also wanted this for when I go to the grocery store. I don't have to use their plastic bags. I really want to stop doing that. I'm really excited. This is so cute. And it was only like $12, and they have a black one as well, but I wanted the classic, you know, taupey nude color market bag. And then I went to Brandy Melville, and of course I had to get like a little Newport, Orange County type of souvenir since I was in Huntington. And I got these sweatpants. They're like a navy gray, and they say Newport, California. So cute. It's like the classic joggers with the logo of whatever area you're in. And I really like these. These ones are different. They're not like the normal sweatpants. Norman is squeaking his toy once again. But they're not like the normal sweatpants like these ones that kind of like, these ones get fuzzies on them all the time. But this one is more like a ribbed material, which I thought was really cool. I'm just so obsessed with these. I think you can wear them during spring and summer because it's really nice quality and not too warm inside but still soft. So yeah, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog. I really hope you liked it. I'm not sure I'm gonna go next. Maybe go back to Huntington and bring Norman. He's never been to a beach at all, and I'm really excited to introduce him to like the ocean and the sand. I don't know how he's gonna react to it, so I should probably get that on camera. It'd be so cute. But yeah, I might go back there or might go to Malibu next. I'm not sure, but I really hope you enjoyed this vlog and it gave you a little like insight into my life. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below anything you want to add, questions, whatever, video requests, anything like that. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.